Here you go, guys. We got the CEO of a small warehouse operation.
Sweatshop.
Here. He's taking apart a bunch of LCD screen computer screens. Nobody seems to want them. Yeah, the landfill tycoons, they don't want them. They're like,
No, don't bring them here.
scrapyard, they don't want them. There's no money in them for them. All that plastic and glass. There is actually a bit of money in them. So you can pull out the computer boards, the motherboards. There's steel. You can really refine it down and take those motherboards and break off the aluminum and coppers. And there's gold in these things as well. Gold cards, the gold video cards. Yeah, they sell for about $5 a pound. This is what we're going to do for the next couple of days. Yeah, so let me give this CEO a hand. Alright guys, he's got them processed down to this point where I can start taking off the gold. What we're after is right behind here. And he's going to screw about 3 screws. And then right there's our card. And there's like a little bit of a tabs that are ready when we throw it down there. And we got 2 piles, one for the steel and one for the gold.
So here's what we're after, close up, all this gold-plated material.
Sometimes we come across aluminum. The backings of these LCD screens can be aluminum or steel. So aluminum goes in one pile, like this one's aluminum.
Forget the aluminum, we're after the gold.
They're all scrap. It's gonna be scrap gold. There's guys out there that, I don't know, they got chemicals they use. They dip that stuff in there and they get out a few grams of gold.
That's right, I'm gonna be rich.
Yeah, I don't know how to do that, but I'm just gonna sell it to them. This is like a factory work, man. I feel like a machine now.
Just shut up and get to work, you lazy bum.
Yeah, well. And when you think about it, sadly enough, a lot of this stuff ends up in places like India and Bangladesh and who knows where. Some sweat factory. Poor people working on for pennies. Quite shameful is what it is.
But we're gonna be rich, my friend. Filthy, stinking rich.
Yeah, but at what cost?
You just work harder, Scrap Daddy. No more talk about those overseas sweatshops.
Good grief, I'm going as fast as I can. Sometimes it's easier to unscrew it and then pry it. Yeah, like this. Once you get one of them done, you can usually pry it. Some of them are tougher than others. Like this one. Super easy. Gone. Done. No. Guys, I'm a street scrapper.
Street scrapper?
The
What?
kind of work that I would just sign up for. You know, I'm just doing this to help my guy here, but I really pity those people who actually do this day in, day out. Guys, I'm just gonna give the benefit of the doubt to all those smart guys that develop technology and the CEOs and the tech giants. I'm sure they're all really sad, weeping in the aisles of their jets, really distressed, sitting there in their $1 million homes at what they've created.
No, now, get back to work. What are you doing? Get back to work.
So these are all the backs of the LCD screens that I was just working on. And these are going to go in as electronic breakage. I think electronic breakage goes for 13 cents a pound at our scrapyard.
I'm gonna get a pair of Curbside.
Huh?
Rubber bands. Oh, here it is.
I got some of these if you want. They're a little more. You want some?
No, I got these.
I got several.
These are better to break those things.
I got brand new ones in there if you need to lose some.
You want me to help you out? Keep breaking.
Nah, yeah, I'll do this. You go ahead. Yeah, it's not too heavy. Not too heavy for Scrap Daddy. Scrap Daddy, remember that name? Mostly reliable, somewhat safe, maybe entertaining.
Faster, you scallywag. You've got 500 million more to do.